Hey guys, today we are at Conkels Hollow Nature Preserve in Hocking Hills. So come along with us as we're heading out to see this trail. We just heard it was really pretty, some great views. I got a lot of snow here, so let's head on out and check it out.
Today we'll be doing the Gorge Trail instead of the Rim Trail because of the ice and the children. It's safer just to do the Gorge Trail.
What? You said Gorge Trail? Straight?
Yeah, that's where the Rim Trail comes down.
So straight? Oh. So it just up and around?
Yeah, coming back down. But I don't know.
Okay.
I've never seen it in the snow though, up there.
Turn around. Funky in the head. Oh, look at that. I'm not mommy, just a totally different person. I don't have to do her clothes. Oh yeah, yeah, like that would be a good birthday party and So this has brought us back to the lower falls, and as you can see behind me, they're frozen. Really, really, really pretty. But so that's the end of the actual Gorge Trail. So it is an in and out. So now we're just gonna turn around and head back to the truck. Now it's nap time. We're at the Polly Johnson Pencil Sharpener Museum. Come check it out. Let's go check it out. Ooh, there's body parts. You're filming. Where? I know I'm filming. shells. There's the package. What's that award for, Mommy? What award? Hold it here. Oh, seashell. I'm glad you don't want it. So on this trip, we're staying at the Hocking Hills Rusty Lofts here in downtown Logan. So let's go in and check it out.
Okay guys, we're inside the place we're staying, and I want you to check this out. Isn't that cool? We'll take you around real quick. Oh look. Chloe here doing her homeschooling. Sophie over here in her homeschooling. It's kitchen area. Pretty sweet bathroom. Big shower there. One king size bed out in the open living area. Another TV there. And what? What's this? Who's that? Well, there's Sophie on the TV. Got a separate bedroom area. The kids sleep in here. Behind this barn door here. It's a full-on game room. Now that's pretty neat. The full-on game room. We got some foosball, poker table with some bumper pool inside it. Air hockey. A jukebox. Little bar. Sit at to watch yourself on TV. Oh, now Megan's on the TV. Anyway guys, we just wanted you to check this out. This is a place we found while we were staying in Hocking Hills called the Hocking Hills Rusty Lofts.